Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter jelly sandwich step by step. Gather 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Lay the bread flat on a clean surface, spread peanut butter evenly on one slice using a butter knife, spread jelly on the other slice, press both slices together gently, trim crusts if desired, cut the sandwich in half, and serve immediately for best texture. Start by assembling ingredients and tools on a tidy surface for efficiency and safety. You will need 2 bread slices, peanut butter jar, jelly jar, a butter knife, and a plate. Measure amounts to taste, noting a typical serving uses about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and 1 tablespoon of jelly. Keep napkins nearby and a small cutting board ready if you prefer clean slices and easier handling. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this simple tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link to the product shown here. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, and other deals to help with packed lunches and snacks for sandwiches on the go. It only takes seconds to subscribe, and you can customize notifications. I appreciate your support and feedback. Now let's get back to the video. Use smooth, confident strokes when spreading to avoid tearing the bread and to achieve even coverage. Hold the knife at a slight angle and spread peanut butter first to create a seal that prevents jelly from soaking into the bread. Apply slightly less jelly than peanut butter to balance sweetness, then gently press slices together to distribute fillings evenly. For children, cut the sandwich into smaller shapes to make it more appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.